Engines need air to function just like we do. The air intake system is the engine's lungs, ensuring a steady flow of oxygen. It's designed to keep the engine running smoothly by providing clean air. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how it works and why it's crucial. We'll break down its components and maintenance tips. Stick around, it's about to get interesting. So, what exactly is an air intake system? It's a pathway that guides air from outside the vehicle through the engine and out the exhaust. The system includes filters to catch dirt and sensors to monitor air quality. These filters prevent harmful particles from entering the engine. Sensors ensure the air is at the right temperature and pressure. It's a coordinated effort to keep your engine running smoothly. Let's dive deeper into its components. Let's talk about the parts of the air intake system. The modern automobile air intake system consists of three key components: the air filter, mass airflow sensor, and throttle body. The air filter is the first line of defense, blocking dirt and debris. This is usually made of paper, foam, or cotton, and it traps dirt and debris, letting clean air through. You'll often see the filter media is folded into pleats. This increases the surface area, letting the filter catch more dirt without blocking too much airflow. Air intake ducts are tubes or channels that carry air from outside the car into the engine. They connect the car's grill or air filter to the intake manifold, ensuring that air flows smoothly into the engine for combustion. Mass airflow sensors, or MAF sensors, measure the amount of air entering the engine. This information is crucial because it helps the car's computer calculate how much fuel to inject, ensuring the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. If the MAF sensor isn't working properly, the car can experience poor fuel economy, reduced performance, or even engine misfires. These sensors are especially important in cars with turbochargers or superchargers, as they ensure the right amount of air is delivered to match the extra power the engine is getting. The throttle body controls how much air enters the engine, balancing power and efficiency. While these are the basics, many newer intake systems are much more complex. Some feature specially engineered intake manifolds designed to optimize the flow of air and the air-fuel mixture to each cylinder. Performance enthusiasts often choose to remove the silencer in favor of improved airflow and increased power. Cars equipped with turbochargers or superchargers, which deliver pressurized air to the engine, often feature highly refined intake systems. These systems are designed to maximize airflow and efficiency, significantly boosting the vehicle's overall performance. Production cars are designed with air intakes of specific lengths. This is done to make the air inside resonate at a particular frequency, which helps improve the airflow into the engine's combustion chamber. It's a smart way to optimize engine performance. On the other hand, aftermarket companies offer upgrades like larger throttle bodies and air filters. These parts reduce airflow restrictions, allowing more air to reach the engine. Let's explore different types of air intake systems. Types of air intake systems, not one size fits all. Naturally aspirated systems rely on the engine's own power to draw in air. As the engine's pistons move, they create a vacuum that draws air through the intake and into the combustion chamber. This is a simple, straightforward process that doesn't need any extra components like a turbo or supercharger. Cold air intake systems pull in denser, oxygen-rich air for more power. They work by directing air from outside the engine bay, where the air is cooler, into the engine. Since cool air is denser and contains more oxygen, it helps the engine burn fuel more efficiently. This can give your car a noticeable boost in power and torque. Forced induction systems, like turbochargers, force air into the engine for maximum power. Both turbochargers and superchargers work by compressing air before it enters the engine. By pushing more air into the combustion chamber, you can fit more oxygen, and with more oxygen, the engine can burn more fuel. This leads to more power and better performance without needing a bigger engine. Turbochargers use exhaust gases to spin a turbine which compresses the air. They're great for boosting power, but they can cause a bit of a lag before the power kicks in. On the other hand, superchargers are driven directly by the engine's crankshaft. They deliver instant power because they're always spinning with the engine, but they can take some of the engine's power to do so. The main benefit of forced induction is that it gives you more power without having to increase the size of your engine. This means faster acceleration, more horsepower, and better overall performance. Let's see how these systems handle extreme conditions. Heavy machinery breathing in the dust and mud. Heavy machinery operates in extreme environments requiring robust air intake systems. These systems use heavy-duty filters and pre-cleaners to trap fine particles. Pre-cleaners are usually the first line of defense. They are positioned at the intake and use centrifugal force to spin the air and throw out larger particles, like dirt and debris. The air that passes through the pre-cleaner is cleaner, but still has smaller particles that need to be filtered out. That's where heavy-duty filters come in. These filters have a finer mesh or material that traps smaller particles like dust and soot before the air reaches the engine. They must also be sealed to prevent water from entering the engine. Durability is key, with reinforced hoses and heavy-gauge metal components. These systems are built to withstand harsh conditions. Now let's talk about maintenance. System ensures your engine runs smoothly. Outro, don't forget to breathe. The air intake system is vital for engine performance. A clean intake means more power, better fuel efficiency, and a longer engine lifespan. Keep your air filter clean to avoid engine issues. Follow Design Hub Heavy Machinery for more tips. Until next time, keep those engines breathing easy.